gentlemen, I want you to repeat after me just how I do it. Ready? Your turn.
What is up, guys? I'm Isaac Paul, a mechanical engineering student studying at Taylor University, Malaysia. That sounds a handful. I'm currently in year 1 Sem 2 and I post student life content every Sunday night. So if you like the videos, press the like button, subscribe to my channel as well, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new content. This week, I'm showing you the day in life of me as the president of Taylor's Barista Club, focusing on both my engineering project and also our signature event, the Latte Art Month. Preparation day, let's jump straight right into it. Look at this posture, professional. What is up, guys? This is a little bit messy, but ignore it. Today I'm going to campus for two reasons. First of all, I'm actually going to prepare for my competition. Second thing is actually my Barista Club signature event, and I'm going to teach latte art face to face. This is very exciting. Let's get it!
Time. Follow my step. Alright, I'm running a little bit late. I just bought my lunch and I need to I'm tired. Get to the barista room as soon as possible because I need to calibrate and my participants are coming in at 1:30. So it's 1 now and I haven't even eaten. So rushed. Thank you, Chi Yang, for helping me to calibrate stuff. Alright, we are actually calibrating the coffee, and this is my Vice President Chi Yang here as well. We are going to prepare the best coffee experience for you guys, the Taylorians. Grinding sounds, those are some familiar voices of coffee. I hope you guys enjoy when you come into this event.
Got up again in a corner. You're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in, but it's time now. You ignite and turn to embers. Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings.
The idea of our signature event, Latte Art Month, started brewing since June. Ha! Pun intended. Being the perfect theme to celebrate World Coffee Day, it is nothing easy to host a physical event under the circumstances of COVID-19. As the head of the project, I really had to get permission from way too many departments prior to the event. The signature event even had the risk to be forcefully cancelled just 4 days before the event due to approval issues. Luckily, the event survived. Whew. As a barista, the interaction between us and the guests is, to me, the most beautiful part of coffee. Clearly, we all suffered from the extensive amount of lockdowns. To be able to finally spread the specialty coffee culture hands-on is magical. It made the planning, the negotiating, scheduling all worth it. Watching everyone pouring their first cup of coffee in their life is amazing, and it really brings me back to the days where I first started. I remember my first latte art is, let's say, artistic. So artistic that I can't see it. Yup, the whole cup spilled. So yeah, everyone starts somewhere, right? To end the day on a high note, me and the participants decided to take the BRT to Sunway Pyramid.
Alright guys, this is the most random thing ever, but say hey everyone. Yo. Hi YouTube. Hi Hello. And you see, this is how coffee connects people. Now we are eating shabu shabu, literally.
Coffee really connects people, doesn't it? As the president, this is what I really hope to spread the specialty coffee culture into the campus of Taylor's. I understand that many have the interest to actually pour latte art, but never really had the chance, right? I really believe that everyone just needed one cup of coffee that really changes your whole life. If you haven't had that one cup, keep on searching it and maybe you'll find it in Taylor's Barista Cup as well. I hope you like this week's content. If you like it, comment down below and let me know. See you next week, I guess. And as always, Fleming out.